Maryland Top 10 Must-Visit Places. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to explore the charming state of Maryland. From historical sites to natural wonders, Maryland has it all. So, without further ado, let's dive into the top 10 must-visit places in the Old Line State. Number 1. National Harbor. Our first stop is the spectacular National Harbor, located along the Potomac River. It's a vibrant waterfront destination with shops, restaurants, and entertainment. Be sure to check out the iconic Capitol Wheel for breathtaking views of the DC skyline. Number 2. Annapolis. Next up we have the historic city of Annapolis, Maryland's capital. Explore the cobblestone streets, visit the U.S. Naval Academy, and take a stroll along City Dock. Annapolis is rich in maritime history and architectural beauty. Number 3. Assateague Island. For nature lovers, Assateague Island is a must-visit. Famous for its wild horses, pristine beaches, and marshland trails, this barrier island offers a unique coastal experience. Don't forget your camera. Number 4. Baltimore Inner Harbor. Moving on to Baltimore, we find the Inner Harbor, a bustling waterfront district. From the National Aquarium to historic ships like the USS Constellation, there's something for everyone. Enjoy the lively atmosphere and delicious seafood. Number 5. Chesapeake Bay Maritime Museum. If you're fascinated by maritime heritage, make your way to the Chesapeake Bay Maritime Museum. Located in St. Michael's, it's a treasure trove of exhibits, historic vessels, and hands-on activities. A true delight for history buffs. Number 6. Great Falls Park. For outdoor enthusiasts, Great Falls Park is a gem. Witness the power of the Potomac River as it cascades over dramatic cliffs. Hiking trails offer stunning views, and it's an ideal spot for a picnic surrounded by nature. Number 7. Antietam National Battlefield. Step back in time at Antietam National Battlefield, a place of great historical significance from the Civil War. Explore the fields and landmarks, reflecting on the events that took place here. It's a moving experience. Number 8. Ocean City. If you're craving some sun and sand, Ocean City is the place to be. This lively beach resort town offers a classic boardwalk experience, amusement parks, and, of course, miles of pristine coastline, perfect for a summer getaway. Number 9. Catoctin Mountain Park. Escape into the tranquility of Catoctin Mountain Park, home to Camp David, the presidential retreat. This park boasts hiking trails, waterfalls, and a peaceful environment, a great destination for outdoor recreation. Number 10. Blackwater National Wildlife Refuge. Last but certainly not least, we have the Blackwater National Wildlife Refuge. Explore the serene landscapes, witness diverse bird species, and embrace the beauty of Maryland's eastern shore. It's a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. And there you have it, folks, Maryland's top 10 must-visit places. Whether you're into history, nature, or just want to relax by the beach, Maryland has something for everyone. If you've been to any of these places, share your experiences in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel adventures. Until next time, happy exploring!